Since Gyp-Crete was first developed in 1972, Maxxon Corporation has provided superior underlayment products for solving virtually any floor problem. Maxxon underlayments can be installed in wood frame, concrete, or steel frame construction. Ideal for renovation, commercial, multifamily, single-family, or self-leveling applications, Maxxon can solve any floor challenge. In addition to fast installation and drying time, Maxxon underlayments bring smooth, fire-resistant floors to every project. Ideal for fast-track projects, installation of a Maxxon underlayment is fast and easy. The general contractor shall ensure the subfloor is structurally sound and broom clean before the arrival of the underlayment crew, as well as provide adequate environmental conditions per Maxxon's Building Conditions Guide. Cracks and voids in the subfloor can be filled with a quick-setting patching or caulking material. The subfloor is then primed with a Maxxon-approved primer to ensure underlayment adhesion to the subfloor. Approved sand and water are mixed with the underlayment on site to ensure consistency with every batch. The approved Maxxon underlayment is poured at a depth specific for the application. To ensure a uniform depth and smooth finish, installers use a screed set to the predetermined depth to finish the underlayment surface. In as little as 2 hours after the underlayment has been poured, the floor is dry enough to accommodate foot traffic, so light subtrades may continue working. From a full spectrum of floor underlayments to the ultimate sound deadening systems, Maxxon offers proven solutions for a world of floor challenges. Contact Maxxon Corporation with questions or to get in touch with a licensed applicator near you.